cheesy, creamy, saucy, and packed with flavor, this baked pasta is everything you crave. Hello Mankun fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making baked pasta. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's marinate the chicken. Trust me, this step is a game changer. Take boneless chicken breast and cut it into small bite chunks. Now season it with black pepper powder, salt, paprika powder, chicken powder, garlic powder, soy sauce, and hot sauce. Mix it well, and if you have time, let it rest for a while. The longer it sits, the better the flavors. Meanwhile, boil some water, add salt, throw in your penne pasta, cook it until it's about 90% done, just before it turns fully soft. Before straining, make sure to reserve about half a cup of the pasta water. Then strain the pasta and set it aside for later. Hey, a little reminder, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our delicious recipes like this one. Back to the kitchen, in a pan, heat some oil and add the marinated chicken. Cook it about 10 minutes or until it's tender and juicy. Once done, transfer to a bowl. In the same pan, add a little more oil and chopped onion. Saute for 2 minutes, then add ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute. Now add tomato puree, season it with salt, red chili flakes, and black pepper. Let it cook for 5 minutes until thick and flavorful. Next, add chopped carrots and capsicum along with a splash of soy sauce and hot sauce. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add some reserved pasta water if needed to loosen the sauce. Then add in your boiled penne pasta. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now it's time to make our creamy white sauce. In a pan, add a bit of oil and butter. Now stir in all-purpose flour and cook it for 2 minutes to remove that raw taste. Gradually pour in the milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Once it starts to thicken, lower the flame and add chicken powder, black pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes, salt, garlic powder, and fresh cream. Now let's assemble it. In an oven-proof dish, layer your pasta, then pour the creamy white sauce and sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layer, top it with the more cheese because why not? Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until the top is golden and crusty. Look at that crust, so golden, so cheesy. My mouth is watering already. And these cheese threads, irresistible. Let's take a bite. So creamy, so comforting. Pure satisfaction in every bite. It's perfect for weeknight dinners or special gatherings. You must try this recipe, it's a crowd pleasure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other baking recipes too. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.